welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. I hope everyone's doing very good and awesome. Now, as you guys already know, the TRX4 Land Rover Defender has been one of my favorite bodies. Now, next upgrade that I wanted, just to make it look more realistically scaled, was the snorkel. Now, the snorkel that did come with the TRX4 went in my Jeep Rubicon. Here it is. I had to take that off from the TRX4 because it kind of looked alright, but it wasn't as scale. But the TRX4 gets a special treatment. We're going to put this snorkel out. So we're going to review this today for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is from Road Tech via GPM Racing Products. And I will be leaving the link down in the description, so you guys can check the product out and try it for yourself. Let's open this pack up and check this thing out. Alright guys, let's check this thing out. Now you will need one thing for it. Anything that's strong and that's really good. In my case, I'm using the Proline tire glue. One thing I didn't know, guys, this is rubber. So forget about breaking. This is not breaking whatsoever. This is rubber, and it's a high quality rubber. So, oh wow, look at that. You can twist that thing up to the max. No creases, no cracks, you know. So it's highly flexible. It looks just like the TRX4 one. So it's gonna easily go in your RC. But there's a little screen, and there's a snorkel head, and there's the cover for it. So once I glue the screen to this particular part, I'm gonna attach that part here. I'm gonna glue it, which is also including the screen. So I'm gonna glue this part here, and I'm gonna glue the bottom to the snorkel head, like rubber, so it stays pretty hard. So you might not need to glue that, but you definitely want to glue this part with the screen. So I'm gonna do that just now. There you go. The screen has been laid on it. It's completely ready and glued. So there's two little tiny accessories here that you need to make sure that they're glued up properly. Set them together. That's it. That's all it took. Alright my folks, you guys can check it out. It looks really awesome. It's a rubber snorkel, so it's highly flexible, and the top part is also almost unremovable. It's absolutely scaled. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section. And as usual, I will be leaving the link down in the description, so please check it out. I'll meet you guys next time. Have a great day. Peace guys.